Nanotechnology opens the door to a world of limitless possibilities at the nanoscale. Join us as we delve into this groundbreaking field where science, engineering, and technology converge to manipulate matter at the molecular and atomic levels. Explore how nanotechnology is revolutionizing industries across the board, from medicine and electronics to energy and materials science. Witness the incredible potential of nanomaterials in enhancing drug delivery systems, revolutionizing electronic devices, and creating stronger, lighter, and more durable materials. From nanoscale sensors and actuators to quantum dots and carbon nanotubes, the applications of nanotechnology are as diverse as they are awe-inspiring. Join us on a journey into the microscopic world of nanotechnology, where the smallest of particles hold the key to unlocking a future limited only by our imagination. Full Electric Atlas Robot. The Electric Atlas robot from Boston Dynamics, a fully electric humanoid marvel designed for real-world applications. This robot is dynamic and agile thanks to its advanced control system and state-of-the-art hardware. It uses depth sensors for real-time perception and model predictive control to adjust its motion. Powered by a custom battery and a compact hydraulic system, it delivers impressive feats of mobility. The Electric Atlas robot is lightweight yet strong, thanks to a mix of titanium and aluminum 3D printed parts. It's stronger and more flexible than any of its predecessors. Designed to be a part of our everyday lives, it aims to expand human potential. The journey with Atlas begins with Hyundai, which is building next-gen automotive manufacturing capabilities. DJI Avata 2. The DJI Avata 2 represents the pinnacle of innovation in the world of unmanned aerial vehicles, propelling us into a future where drones transcend conventional boundaries. Equipped with state-of-the-art technology and advanced AI capabilities, the Avata 2 redefines what's possible with drones, offering unprecedented levels of autonomy, performance, and versatility. From aerial photography and videography to surveillance and search and rescue missions, the Avata 2 is a true game-changer. Experience the thrill of flight as we showcase its agile maneuvers, intelligent obstacle avoidance, and unparalleled stability. Whether you're a professional filmmaker, a first responder, or an adventure enthusiast, DJI Avata 2 empowers you to push the boundaries of creativity and exploration. Join us as we soar to new heights with DJI Avata 2, the future of aerial innovation. Nanoscribe. The world of high-precision additive manufacturing with Nanoscribe, a leading provider of 3D printers and grayscale lithography systems. Nanoscribe's technology is powered by two-photon polymerization, offering the highest precision in additive manufacturing with feature size controlled down to 100 nanometers. This technology is used in a wide range of applications, from 3D bioprinting for life sciences to nanoprecision alignment 3D printing for photonics applications. With over 4,000 active users in more than 30 countries, Nanoscribe is driving industrial innovations in sectors such as micro-optics, micromechanics, biomedical engineering, and photonics technologies. By investing over 25% of their annual revenues in the future of microfabrication, Nanoscribe is truly shaping the future of high-precision additive manufacturing. Microsoft Silica Glass. The future of data storage with Microsoft's Project Silica. This revolutionary technology uses quartz glass, a durable and low-cost medium, to store data for tens to hundreds of thousands of years. It eliminates the need for periodic data copying, making it a sustainable and secure storage system. Despite its high data density, with a raw capacity of 7 terabytes in a DVD-sized glass platter, it ensures data safety as overwriting during reading is physically impossible. Project Silica uses ultrafast lasers to write data and regular light to read data. This innovation is part of Microsoft's research into the future of cloud infrastructure, combining optics and computer science. Satellite launches 5G marks a significant milestone in the evolution of global connectivity as Satellite introduces its groundbreaking satellite-based 5G network to the world. Join us as we witness the dawn of a new era in telecommunications, where ubiquitous high-speed internet access becomes a reality, even in the most remote and underserved areas. Through a constellation of cutting-edge nanosatellites, Satellite's 5G network delivers ultra-low latency, high-capacity connectivity to users across the globe, unlocking limitless opportunities for innovation and progress. From enabling IoT applications to supporting critical communications during emergencies, Satellite's 5G network revolutionizes how we connect, communicate, and collaborate in the digital age. Join us as we celebrate this historic moment and explore the boundless potential of Satellite's groundbreaking 5G technology to transform our world for the better. Microsoft HoloLens 2 ushers in a new era of mixed reality technology, blurring the lines between the physical and digital worlds. Join us as we embark on an immersive journey into the possibilities of HoloLens 2, where holograms become an integral part of our everyday experiences. With its groundbreaking design and advanced capabilities, HoloLens 2 redefines how we interact with information and collaborate with others. From immersive gaming experiences to cutting-edge industrial applications, HoloLens 2 empowers users to visualize, create, and interact with digital content in entirely new ways. Join us as we explore the transformative potential of HoloLens 2 to revolutionize industries, enhance productivity, and unlock new realms of creativity and innovation. Experience the future of computing with Microsoft HoloLens 2, where the boundaries between imagination and reality disappear. CyberDog 2. The world of bio-inspired robotics with Xiaomi's second-generation robotic dog, the CyberDog 2. This AI-powered robot is smarter than its predecessor, offering a more compact and realistic design. Weighing 8.9 kilograms and standing 36.7 centimeters tall, the CyberDog 2 is designed as both a research platform and a robotic pet. It can walk, dance, and even change color using a special body skin. What sets the CyberDog 2 apart is its learning capabilities. Thanks to Xiaomi's AI reinforcement learning platform, the CyberDog 2 can learn new skills. Each movement is simulated and trained by over 30,000 AI dogs, making its movements natural and lifelike. The CyberDog 2 truly represents the advancements in the field of bio-inspired robotics. The future of connectivity with the 6G vision for 2030. In this transformative vision, we imagine a world where communication reaches unprecedented speeds and reliability, empowering groundbreaking technologies and experiences. Picture a reality where smart cities optimize energy usage and traffic flow in real time, where remote surgery and telemedicine revolutionize healthcare, and where immersive virtual worlds blur the lines between digital and physical realms. With 6G technology, we're poised to unlock a future where innovation knows no bounds, from autonomous drones and AI-powered factories to personalized entertainment and gaming experiences. Join us as we explore the endless possibilities of 6G and envision a world where connectivity transforms every aspect of our lives. Welcome to the 6G vision for 2030, where the future is now. Hyundai's future mobility concept, a visionary approach to redefine mobility and create a more connected and sustainable future. This concept includes urban air mobility, a model developed in collaboration with Uber Elevate, aiming to significantly reduce commute times. Hyundai also introduces purpose-built vehicles designed for specific tasks and integrated with other mobility solutions to create a comprehensive mobility blueprint. The hub, a network that connects different types of mobility solutions, is another key aspect of this concept. Most of Hyundai's new mobility concepts are built around the plug-and-drive module, an electric pod with integrated steering, electric motors, brakes, and sensors that can be applied to a wide range of vehicles and transport bots. Hyundai's future mobility concept is part of their commitment to progress for humanity, aiming to create a more connected and sustainable future. Samsung Galaxy Ring. The Samsung Galaxy Ring heralds a new era of smartphone innovation, blending sleek design with powerful performance to deliver an exceptional user experience. Join us as we explore the features and capabilities of the Samsung Galaxy Ring, a device designed to seamlessly integrate into your life. With its vibrant display, immersive audio, and lightning-fast processing power, the Galaxy Ring takes mobile entertainment to new heights. Discover the versatility of its camera system, capable of capturing stunning photos and videos in any environment. Dive into the world of productivity with seamless multitasking and intuitive software features that keep you organized and efficient. Whether you're gaming, streaming, or staying connected with loved ones, the Samsung Galaxy Ring empowers you to do more, with style and sophistication. Join the Galaxy family and experience the future of mobile technology with the Samsung Galaxy Ring. Ambidex Robot. The Ambidex robot arm. This innovative piece of technology is a result of collaborative research and development focused on human-robot coexistence. The Ambidex uses cable-driven mechanisms, making it safe for interaction with humans. Despite its lightweight design of just 2.6 kilograms, it can operate at a maximum speed of 5 meters per second and carry up to 3 kilograms. What sets the Ambidex apart is its high speed, precise control, making it suitable for a wide range of applications. But that's not all. This robot arm can be controlled in real time from remote locations, thanks to the power of 5G networks. Plus, it's capable of learning how to perform tasks, like assembling an IKEA chair. Developed by Naver Labs, the Ambidex is a testament to the advancements in robotics and the future of human-robot coexistence. AKKA's Flying Train unveils a groundbreaking concept that reimagines the future of transportation, blending the efficiency of high-speed rail with the freedom of flight. Join us as we soar into the skies aboard AKKA's Flying Train, a revolutionary mode of transportation that combines the best of both worlds. Powered by advanced propulsion systems and aerodynamic design, the flying train glides effortlessly above traditional infrastructure, bypassing traffic congestion and reducing travel times to unprecedented levels. Experience the thrill of travel as we explore the seamless integration of ground and air travel, offering passengers a smooth and comfortable journey from city to city. From urban mobility to intercity transportation, AKKA's Flying Train promises to revolutionize how we move people and goods in the 21st century. MyEye Pro. The MyEye Pro, a wearable assistive technology device designed to empower daily independence for individuals with visual impairments. This device brings extensive reading capabilities to your fingertips, allowing you to easily read emails, books, newspapers, or anything else at your own pace. With a simple voice command, you can instantly find the information you're looking for. The Orcam MyEye Pro also lets you recognize your loved ones, find objects, use the correct currency, and select the perfect color. Powered by advanced AI technology, it can read text on smartphones, computers, signs, books, newspapers, and more. The Orcam MyEye Pro truly represents the advancements in the field of assistive technology for the visually impaired. "3D House Printer." The 3D House Printers. These printers construct residential buildings layer by layer based on a converted blueprint or CAD drawing, offering a more cost- and time-efficient alternative to traditional construction techniques. With high precision in additive manufacturing, these printers deliver superior quality at unrivaled speed. The technology behind these printers, known as two-photon polymerization, provides the highest resolution in additive manufacturing. The applications of 3D house printers are vast, from creating fully livable homes to constructing bridges and outdoor decorations. Leading companies in this field include Icon, APCOR, SciBee, WASP, and Winsun. This technology truly represents the advancements in the field of construction and the future of housing. Starship. The third integrated flight test of the SpaceX Starship, also known as IFT-3. This test, which took place on March 14, 2024, marked a significant milestone in the development of the Starship. Launched from the SpaceX Starbase facility along the South Texas coast, the mission lasted for just under 50 minutes. During this time, the Starship achieved a major breakthrough by completing a full-duration second-stage burn and reaching the intended orbital velocity for the first time. However, the test also highlighted the challenges that remain as the Starship broke up during re-entry into the atmosphere. Despite this setback, the IFT-3 test brings SpaceX one step closer to its goal of making space travel more affordable and accessible.